Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video we'll show you how to change language in Outlook so you can use Outlook in your preferred language for a better experience. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Make sure Outlook is fully loaded so you can access all menu options. Step 2. Click on File in the top left corner. The File menu contains Account, Options and Application-wide settings. Step 3. Click on Options from the left-hand menu. This opens the Outlook Options window where you can customize Outlook settings. Step 4. Select Language from the sidebar. Here you'll see options for display language and authoring language. Step 5. Under Office Display Language, choose your preferred language and click Set as Preferred. If the language is not listed, click Add a Language and install it first. Step 6. Click OK and restart Outlook. Restarting applies the language change across the entire Outlook interface. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Outlook tutorials.